A centered zipper is a zipper installation method where the zipper teeth are centered in the seam. It is common in home decor and garment sewing projects. Start by marking your zipper length on your seam. Using normal seam allowance, stitch the portion of your seam where the zipper will be using a long basting stitch. When you reach the end of the zipper, switch to a normal seam length. Backstitch and continue sewing the rest of the seam. Press the seam open. On the outside, mark stitch lines using a disappearing fabric marker or chalk. Mark lines 1/4 inch on each side of the seam. Connect the 2 lines at the end of the zipper. Pin the zipper in place, lining the teeth up with the seam. Using a needle and thread, make a wide whip stitch to baste the zipper in place. Remove the pins. Using your sewing machine and a zipper foot, sew down one side and pivot to sew the zipper stop mark. Backstitch as you reach the other corner. Remove the fabric from your machine and switch the zipper foot position. Sew down the opposite side and again pivot to sew the zipper stop mark and backstitch. Use a seam ripper to remove the basting stitches at the zipper. Remove loose threads.